CV's day esikolweni kusasa and I'm next engayigqoka. If I don't look amazing, Sihle will never forgive me. And D, forget it. Oh, all I want is for JJ to notice me like that. Oh.
Bebe!
So, Mama, I have lam ni shwarene.
Tell it. Oh, no, Maso. Why you say anything?
Yo! Mara yazi empilweni angeke uhlala uthole yonke into oyifunayo. Kakhulukazi uma wakho umephethwe into zakhe. Cabanga ukuthi akusona isikhathi sokumcela impahla ezintsha lezi.
I don't care if your lip falls off. Tell it us Captain. Who you for anyone? Papa?
Papa? Umkhulu uthina manje?
I can't let D outdo me again. The best way to deal with your enemies is to know them like the back of your hand.
Baba ngikongibele ifoni yakho.
Hey, blow phone. Ubani ngibe chatini?
Ayo, angazi.
Waqede time yami ke.
Baba ngithwele SMS.
Yes.
Like OMG. Into ebuhlungu ukudlula ungabi nento yokugqoka ukuthi umfana omthandayo achamwe isitha sakho.
So screwed.
I've been saying that for ages.
Welcome to my world, my life, my family, my friends. My highs, my lows, my ups, my downs, my future, who knows? My dad, pretty laid back. Oh, mama want me always on my case. My sister, pain in the my loom, there's a basic modella. My girl, see who knows modella? Who's gonna choice? They come with the package. Ish, we are for a JJ, love my life. This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. Sunday is diary.
Awakamatanda.
No eggs, no milk, no juice, no nothing. Sorry, none left.
That's what I mean, last to 10 grocery. I'm not the 10 on me. Huh? And I tell you, he's swag. Hello, what does it? Hey, man.
Akusenandaba baba ngiyomane ngidle yona leyo gathi le.
You can't. I've already booked that for them.
I allow to book your guys.
Quite obviously, I can and I have. You see, if mom and dad were to give me money, this could be all yours.
Hey, you're no cool, man. Sounds like you care. Hey, man.
Look at my fish at the fella, ne? You go call me.
Sweet.
Oh, come on! Why can't I just have a normal family? Like, I wish I had those perfect families in breakfast ads.
You weird.
I've been in the grocery. It's right to see us happy.
What over? What was it? What over? No, I can give it past with a super or fell away the child that issue.
Hey, yes, I mean.
Who is saying be?
Ha, what's your children saying? What's it to? Huh?
You just don't get it.
I was supposed to swap my lunch today with Portia. Mewaha, we had decided lunch, demonat.
Yes, I'm your mom.
Right. Some of our Portia, I think Mewahai.
Oh.
Young boys done the lunch. It's perfect.
Oh.
That's what. Lona. Mushangi Chulen. Kita mo sa wanang working po na tulo ka man.
Ay, ngam na ko na stress sa manalito. Ay, usanda. Stress sa. Alan. So hindi man okera ne? Nize nimtshela usivongo. Oh, uzozivela. Ba, 20 rand yakho. 50 rand ne? Yini? Sofana mama yakho nawe. Hamba. Niphasa ne? Nizanifele Thandeka.
Sisi, ithi ndiqale ngoqoqosho nto siyayikwenzela uba ii-clients zethu xa zifika zingacima fanele uba uliqilile ngasekhaya.
Wa tseba ke normally awuso ke a cleaner. It's just that kana mosebetsi o mongata too much.
Ye sisi, uke wavasa namhlanje?
Of course I did.
Yho, hayi bendizibuzela.
Yo.
Ke lebetse rolon.
Ha, sisom ndiyacela please wenza icebo ngoba lo usebenza ngabantu and uphakamisa izandla kakhulu wena. Yabona ke ngoku amakhwapha ayanuka.
But then Yuri, who can get everything more? Alice, Beyan to see next. Some Becky could do a neglect and what neglect?
Oh, Salman.
Sawubona.
Ngicela ukukhuluma nawe kancane.
Okay.
Hawu, ufuna sikhulume indaba zethu phambi kwalo mngane wakho omzimba omncane ngathi inkomo egulayo. Ngicela
Shut.
Chu, lalela sithandwa. Yazi angikho right man. Kulento esishodayo la kimi. Kulamalanga awusangibambi, awusangisondezi. Ukumcabuza khona into yedala. Hayi bye.
Motho wa modimo. Ke kgathetse. Ha ke re ke etsa Alice mo.
Everything ngiyenza engizenzayo
Wenza
namanje.
yini?
Kumanje ngicela ukwenza ilokhu njana ngithi. Ngenze into esengani. Into ilokhu njana. Manje ngibhizi what you call.
Hayi suka bandbeka.
Lalela. Yizwa ngithini?
Makoti,
Yini?
hayi ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi nibambe i-caucus meeting. Inkinga ukuthi ijuice iphelile.
Ijuice iphelile.
Ngithi ngiyazi ukuthi kufanele senze ukuthile ngalo ngoba ingane mayibuya esikolweni ziyayithanda ijuice.
Wa tseba ke Mbeki. Kopa le dule le bua ka juice. Ha ke important.
Man, yabona beka into yenzile manje.
Yini kanti benilo?
Man, bhuti manayi man.
Hayi, wena Bheke ngiyakubona ngiyazi ukuthi bangabe ikhala lakho. Hayi, selijuluka kanje. Kuthi uthi kulamalanga basakho. Nikeze
Ungenaphi endabeni ekhala wena? Yenza something la endlini niphuza amanzi.
bengiphawula nje.
Hayi man, nayi.
Hayi, nasi lesigonogono sakho.
Kuri wena mkho awukazi ukuqonqosha.
Hey, sco, hey.
Sibukile isizwe, sibukile prophet.
Lalela. Hayi man. Hawu, ubulungu ngena la kwanje. Wenzani manje?
Ngopile.
Yini into bongitshela ngayo?
Iyo prophet.
Yeah.
Leba ora kimi, lama crotmana serious.
Yeah.
Kimi. Nanloyana. Oda la.
Isiphala kanjani ndayileni?
Le prophet uthi nje ka.
Bese sithi kaka.
Prophet.
Faka.
Hayi, besimama.
Yini man? Malini?
Ngeke ube ka ngana cash. Ngoba
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how we go. Thandeka's diary.
Let's go try fix it. Come, let's go find out. Chong. Bavela bari 1 2 ga.
Seriously.
Anibaka nenzani?
Hayi wena JJ.
Wena soshange epheli ring. Eseyinhle sana.
Ngiyabonga uyangazi mara musi.
It is too much. Is that a belly ring? That is totally a belly ring. I told me hate her more than I did 3 seconds ago. Oh.
And then hashtag losers.
And then a pop.
Thandeka's diary.
His friend, Tala ngifuna like a secret belly ring. Got
Yini manje sindlule nagcwala.
Ay, mekutwitter naye.
Happy.
Anyway.
like eyobona abantu abaphethe i-magical password kuphela. Akuyakana ngeke ngize ngiyithole ngoba umano bami bangakuthola. Yo.
Ngakwenze?
Never.
Ngiyakutshela nje mami, Strubop.
Okay, so, girl, o batla o shapa ka belly ring. Wena na, yazi ukuthi mama khona baba bakho bangaku. And futhi ibelly ring wena ngeke zizikufanele. Ingabukeka ngathi yibandage nje.
Dizem. Ungazimangazi kusasa mabona uthandeka anobucwebe lapha esibonweni ne, ungathi sikutshelanga. Ngikusabotage ke. Ngikhalimala lenyazo Chomi wena. Utloba sethi ngiyakutshela wena. Sebangena Chomi, sebangena.
Hey. Jo, ngicela ukukhuluma nawe for 2 seconds malapha.
Motho wa modimo. Keng hape?
Ha, uyamazi uphela manje. Hayi. Hlala phansi. Izwe sithando. Ngizizwile ikhalo zakho yabo. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi vele ukhuluma iqiniso. Angisebenzi le ndini. So, njengobona ngumatasatasa ngibhiza ngatoilet ngiyaklina, ngiphansi phezulu malapha. Angithandi ukubona mawukwatile uba mubi and mawumubi ufana nomama. Intambama ke. Hey Ndaba, usibhekela sesipilini. Hey. Wena ungana kuyangidina. Lela, Ntambama, ngifaka amanzi ubath ke. Zithi bubble bath, kunuke kamnandi amakhandlela. Sibe romantic nje malapha yazi.
Okay.
Yeah.
For what?
For ama-fruits, babe.
Ama-fruits? Yo, I hope utavuthiwe.
Ukhuluma so. Mama ngangibhizi malapha. Thanya gym, yimi lapha estradini. Ama-sit up, ama-push up. Ni-ready malapha.
So wena ucabanga ukuthi ama-sit ups nama
Baby, lalela. Ungakhuluma uRambo kanjalo.
Yo, Rambo. Hi, Rambo these days is more like the Titanic.
Urambo stop ungakhuluma uRambo so uzokuthuza. Uzokuthuza mababy. Lento engiphuzayo, ngijuice engiphuza uzozibonela.
Iguti ezana.
Uzozwela wena. Wena nje iba ready sithando sami yabo. Nami ngibe busy endlini nawe wenza into zakho la.
Let's just hope ijuice isavor with the Titanic.
Jalo la majoba. Uzozwela ke wena. Ube. Imbube. Juice, bangifihlela ijuice. Bacela bafihlela bani ijuice. Badlala lapha. Bangafihlela mina ijuice. Ubheke cishe ngalokhu ukudla okungena juice madoda. Imbube. Ayiphi ke manje le flavor le. Kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi nje bayincishushukela kancane. Yeah. Ube. Umanqoba.
Ibambe lapha nje.
That's cold.
So strange considering that it's ice and all.
You're not funny.
Come on, Chomi, relax. You can do this, okay?
Wait, friend. Mina manaliti nyawazona.
Kodwa sizonda uthi ukudlula amanaliti, Chomi.
Yeah, kodwa ngeke ngibobose isibono sami ngenxa kadi.
Of course we aren't. We're doing it because wena ufuna indlela yokuzi-expressa. Indlela yokufunda nokuzijabulisa ngobona bakho, Chomi.
Yeah. Mimfuna uzi-expressa ngakho masikuni inywele zami.
Inwele.
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah.
Phuma kimi. Okwakho ke lokho.
No, wena I understand. Ngiyafuna ukubhobose isibono sami, but what if something goes wrong?
Like what?
Hey, ngabe ngamkherisa imali eningi ngoba akekho soya.
She was my favorite daughter.
Manje mntwana uzazokwazi ukuthi ukhiphele amali amalobola makunje. Hayi,
bengizomshada malume.
Mina ngizobhala ingoma elishisayo ngiqambe ngothandeka.
I'm going to change my name to Thandeka.
Bengimzonda because I wanted to be her. Hey, sure, me, you really need to see a doctor about this thing of yours.
This isn't going to end well, is it?
Ngithi ngikwenza umuntu.
Oh, malingashona lelanga. Babe. Akachayisi kanti.
Yebo, kuba kanene nomalume. Hayi sikawara ke old age. Uyadifisha mjonge. Hayi Chikombi. Begi.
Yeah.
Wathala.
Yo. Bube. Oh, Naman. Bube.
Okay, Chumam. You're gonna count to 3, ne?
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2. I need 3. Oh my God.
Okay, Chumam. You weren't gonna allow me to do it if I actually let you get to 3, okay?
I know if I'm going to go to Mwana was a cocotta.
Give me out.
Oh my gosh. Oh, friend. Nigasi. One Nigasi.
You didn't pierce your belly. Well, it was nice knowing you. Get that said up hey mama and papa.
Please, you can't tell them yet then.
Hobani, I get right to her. The rule is if someone is bleeding, tell a gunner.
Fine, name your price.
20 rand a week.
You just have 20 rand your big hand. Okay, fine. Deal. Now you get out there and you don't say anything.
Your first payment is due tomorrow.
Yo, friend, that kid has more hustle in her than Juju, dog. Ungamangali one day when she's umongameli. Ayanda, Zulu.
But I feel like this is so...
Bube! What was that?
Relax, man. Why you tense, guy? Tense, but sharing is caring. You see? And they care about you.
Care about my post to Sanyonki. Man, I don't put man. Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Baby waka.
Yes.
Mamela ntse ke nagana ka ntho le re bua ka yone e le ya onne.
Yeah.
Ene ka nagana boposke re wa tseba keng ntse ke le unfair. So, I'm not... Baby, why am I looking massage?
Phuma kimi.
Wena. Why was next kanje?
Anyway, baby.
Yes, what
Ke tlo just hore I am looking forward to tonight.
Yeah.
Asa ntse ke le unfair ko wena. Oh, shame, ntse ke le unfair ko bubuski. So I'm looking forward to the revival of Ram.
Yo.
Baby.
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. It's a daily story.
What's up?
Mama, ngathi hambele njalo kwenente khona.
Why are you getting out and we ipata? No, ma. Khale ko bona o tsotse ngwana ka. Ke o changeile maliri.
It's just that for me, privacy yami.
O batla privacy ya hao. E le go jwetse he. Privacy ya hao. O tla ifumana mohlang o na le ntlo ya hao. O tla o sontse move in le yona. Hona jwale je, ke batla o njwetse ona o etsalang ka wena. Bona wa sweta o metsi ke eng? Ke internet. Ke nka so. Kopo bua le nna ke eng? No, Bafuni. Thandeka bo. Funa we.
Yini?
Bheki.
Ungibiza nge-engine number yini?
Bheki. Thandeka pregnant.
Anzani?
Bheki Thandeka pregnant. Funa we ngifesa jwang. Pregnant. Bheki yamona pregnant. Athi ke nawe ibata pregnant. Oh, Jehovah. Oh.
Ila ma-Twitter.
Uzoromkhupheza izinto engizazi ngenxa yale juice yakho.
Hey, awungiyeke indaba yamaphupho namajuice man. Unenkinga serious man, Bhuka man, hayi man.
Yini?
Eish. Uthandeka bhuti man. Umithi.
Yini? Uphuza ijuice naye?
Eish Mbube. Hayi, ngicabanga sekunabantwana endlini. Mkhulupeki. Ngimncane kanje. Hayi man.
Hayi, mina ngimindi mina. Ngoba ngibuza umkhulu Mbube. Mina hayi.
Ayi mara kodwa uNkulunkulu ngicela umthathe to please. No.
And that is why the most important lesson of Animal Farm is that all animals are created equal. But some are more equal than others.
Yabona Thandeka, asibonisele bhiliri nyana.
Sorry, what is that, Thandeka? Here we go again. Please, if you think you can teach this class better than me, go ahead.
No, sir. Sir, I think Thandeka here has something to show us, you know? Something like show and tell nyana.
Oh, come, please. Show us and tell us this great big secret of yours, miss. I know everything. Now, Thandeka, I want this over with before I retire and realize I have wasted my life.
Abantwana.
Ayanda,
Ma?
Elori, unotsi baka this stupid belly ring.
Well, it depends on what you mean. No.
Yazi nina nihlusha istrati nina. And wena ngivele mali 20 rand engikuphena ne?
Bheki. Ungifila chelete? Bheki.
Shani, kanti sine 20 rand.
Ayanda, kamuri nyawo.
But
without the lip. Hayi. What's my babe? I feel like you know this whole thing ke phoso yaka. Tlamehile ke bile mme ke bile motswadi, be there for bana baka.
Sando busy man Juba man. Ngapha uyathunga, ngapha uyaclean uyapheka. Unake thina ngapha. Hayi man ungawari kuzoba right man.
What's my ke qala ho tswa so bophelong baka kaofela. Go ke bona fela hore no, she's just throwing her life away like I did. Pregnant at 16.
Wow. Threw her life away.
So zamuthi wena you regret ukumitha umncane.
No, baby. Akitsho jwalo.
Oh.
I mean, hi nese kathandeka. Ngabe ke sina Ayanda.
Hey.
Kapo wena. So how can I regret that?
Okay, ngipho omunye.
Hayi baby.
Ngiyacela.
Gcineni into besifuna sonke kuba umndeni futhi nawo wonke umsangane esinawo la endlini. Yeah, I got into deep trouble. No sihle, no TV. But I had a memory that kept me company. One that I'll hold in my heart forever.